Hey everyone, Stephanie here. Welcome to the channel. I am Stephanie G, and this is my lifestyle and beauty and hopefully DIY channel. I have another YouTube channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative, where I do art and jewelry making on my other channel, my main channel. So this is like a second channel, like a backup channel. But anyway, I do a lot of hauls over here. Beauty hauls and fashion, home goods, things like that. So this channel is for that mostly, like lifestyle stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know in case you just came across my channel. So this is going to be a TJ Maxx haul. Now I went to a few different TJ Maxx over, I don't know, like a week or so. So I just put everything together, you know what I mean? So of course I got some hold on, let me turn my lights on. I got some more makeup brushes. Now, TJ Maxx has been really doing great with their getting, good makeup in and brushes and stuff like that. So I am, and y'all, if you've never seen my videos, I have other beauty hauls where I've hauled some Revolution stuff, and this is one of my favorite brands. But I found this one, Japanese. I think that's how you pronounce it. So these are really good brushes, y'all. Look at how they look so expensive too. They look really expensive. Like this looks like a $40 brush to me, 30 or $40 brush. So let's go over what I grabbed. Again, this is from maybe 3 trips, all of it together. Oh, and I'm also going to have some travel essentials. So this is going to be a little bit of a beauty haul and some travel essentials. Okay. So if you're taking any trips this year, as I am, you can see kind of what's out there that you may need, to make your traveling situation better. All right, so I'll show you that after I do all this. All right, so this is one of the first brushes I grabbed. It's a Luxe powder brush. It's really beautiful. I've had a few of these brushes and they're really really nice. So this was $6.99, right? So normally it was what, $12. So yeah, you know. So I got that one, and then this is a foundation brush. I have a few foundation brushes, but this one looks really dense. So expertly designed for an airbrush finish. All right, so that was $7.99. And normally $14, I guess. So I got those too. So we'll be trying those. And then I got grab some more Revolution. I got several more brushes in one of my last hauls, and I will probably link that at the end if you in case you hadn't seen that one. But Revolution is one of my, like I said, one of my favorite brands. I love their makeup. So this one is a flat bending contour brush. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You know what? I'm gonna open this stuff here. I didn't want to open this because I know we're gonna be all day, and I got a lot of other stuff to show you. But I really want to. I'm gonna take this out of the packaging anyway. So, you know, I like these brushes. They're really really nice. They're good quality for the price point. These are, and they're kind of hard to take out. Maybe that's why I didn't want to do it on camera, because it's kind of hard to take out. Hold on, let me take it out. So this is it. And I like that on these brushes, it tells you what it is. Now I know you probably can't see that writing up here. Let me see. No, you can't see it. It's too faint. It says flat blending contour brush. So I love that it tells you what it is. You know what I mean? Because sometimes I forget. I grab a brush. I'm like, oh, what's this one for? So that's just me though. But most of the girls I'm sure know. And this one is this other one here is a fluffy highlighter brush. Okay, it's really nice. I have a highlighter brush, but not one like quite like that. So I love that. And all these were $3.99. Even this one. This one was $3.99, and this one was $3.99. Okay. So, and last time I got lucky, y'all, and I found some different ones in the clearance, and they were $2 a piece. So, and then this one is detail fan highlighting brush. Look at that, so pretty, right? So pretty. I'm gonna take them out after I get off the air because it's just too much to open here. So these are $3.99 as well. So I got that one, and then this one is buffing eye crease brush. Okay, so that one is also $3.99, $2.99. This was $2.99. So yeah, I got those. So got a nice little collection of brushes now. So that's nice. All right, so let's put these over here. And then I grabbed this Ashanti's Natural Shea Butter. Look at this big old tube. It's a 15-ounce tube. 15-ounce tub, I meant to say. It's a 15-ounce tub. Yellow shea butter creamy. And it smells really, really nice. African shea butter. Okay. So that's it. It's just shea butter inside. I love that. And it's by Ashanti Naturals. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Inside. It smells real too. So y'all, this whole 15-ounce thing here, tub, was $6.99. I thought that's a great deal. Look at that. That's like a lot. So I got that. Okay. Now let me show you some other items that I grabbed. Okay, so before I show you my travel essentials, my new travel essentials, I found this a Revolution again Pro lipstick collection. I like these corals, y'all. I have 3 sets of these lipsticks. I have the corals, I have the pinks, and I have the nudes, and they all look great on me, strangely enough, right? You would think they wouldn't look really good on, your black skin or whatever, but it looks amazing. These are so beautiful. They're vibrant and pretty, and they're full size. Okay, so that's what they look like. I actually already tried one of these on, so that's what they look like. Okay, and of course, I layer my lipstick. I put lip liner and lip gloss and stuff, so they're always gonna look, really, really good. But this is the lipstick, so it's nice and coral. Now, again, see, I don't normally wear corals, and the reason why I got these, I was like, I don't wear corals like that. Why not? For $3.99, y'all, and 5 lipsticks for $3.99. It's such a good deal, and they're really good. They go on really nice and smooth. They don't dry your lips out. To me, I mean, I think they're matte, but they feel really nice and velvety, and yeah, I just love them. So I'm looking for. They have another one called Reds. I'm looking for that one. So these are the colors in here. They're really, really nice. So if you see these at TJ Maxx or Marshalls or wherever, because Marshalls has them too, go ahead and grab them. Okay, beautiful colors, really beautiful colors. Just I love that. Like what, put it on with a lip liner, and then put a little lip gloss on top of it is gorgeous. So we have all of those. The corals. I haven't worn coral lipstick, y'all, in ages. So, but now we got 5 of them, so we can rock them. Okay, I'm gonna wear them this summer with some of my other things. Okay, so that's gonna be fun. Now, here's some of my travel essentials. I haven't bought new travel essentials in quite a long time. I don't know why. You just get used to using the same stuff you always had, and you think, well, it's not destroyed or torn or anything like that. Why should I get something new? Well, I just wanted some new stuff because I'm taking a few really good trips this year, and I thought, I need some new items. So I'll show you what I grabbed. Okay, now this is going to be a shower. This is a shower cap. This is Protect Blowout Rinse Frizz, and I saw this beautiful lady on the front. I might actually cut this lady out and put her in one of my art projects. I love pictures like this because they're beautiful in art projects like journals and stuff like that because I do art journaling. So if you don't know what that is, just come to Stephanie Garrett Creative and you can check it out. I love this picture. So this shower cap is really cute, and it was $3.99. So I grabbed that, for taking with me when I travel, so I can, won't have my hair destroyed while I'm on out there. This is like, it says Tech Cube, right? So I'm thinking it's like more for like your chargers and stuff. If you want to put chargers in here or whatever, batteries or whatever you want to put in here. That's why I got this, y'all. I thought it was really cute, and I thought it kind of matched this, right? I thought this was really cute. This is a laundry bag. I'll talk about that in a second, but I like this little pouch in here. So let's open this. I hate to take all this stuff off of here, but 'cause let's see. Oh yeah, see, this is really cute. I love this. Or you can use it for makeup. I mean, either or, but I would put my chargers in here. Because normally, y'all, I just literally take my charger and throw them in the bag. I'm like, no, and then I'm always digging everything out of the bag to try to find everything. So if I just put them in here, all I gotta do is grab the bag and I know where they're at, right? So this is cute. I love that. And this little purse here, right? I guess you can put other little items in here. So that's really, really cute. I'm glad I got that. So that one's really cute. And how much was this, y'all? It was $6.99. So yay. I'm loving that. All right. So that's one of the great things I got. Okay. Other than my little lipsticks there. Then I got a laundry bag, a foldable laundry bag. I got my husband one too. So, and for one for my son. Well, him, they share. They could share one. But I thought this was really, really super cute. So and it unfolds, and it's a lot bigger when it unfolds. Okay, and this was 6.99. Again, I've seen some of this stuff before. I just never thought to grab it. And I thought, I'm gonna update all of my stuff because I want to travel, you know, and have all my stuff together. So that's what I'm, doing. But yeah, so I got that. That's really cute. And again, I said it kind of matches this. So that's really cute, right? So good price there. And then I grabbed this jersey knit travel blanket. Now this is by Isaac Mizrahi. I love his stuff. Isaac Mizrahi has great products, y'all. I'm not affiliated. I'm just a fan. This blanket was $9.99. He's had great looking clothes over the years. He makes really nice accessories and so on and so forth. So if you ever see any of his stuff and in his stores, you should probably pick up some because they're really nice. And this is a lightweight, ultra soft jersey material. So I'm gonna try it because airplanes get cold, right? So and I like that it has this so you can put it on the top of your bag if you need to. I'll probably just put it in my carry-on. Oh, you know what, y'all? I do have a new carry-on too. And I got some new cubes. I gotta show you those. I gotta go grab those. That's supposed to be a part of this haul too. That was from TJ Maxx. So a really cute new carry-on. So yay, I'm excited. So I can put this in there and have all my stuff, ready to go, ready to hit the road. Now I got this one for my husband and my son, so I thought that was cool. Boys, they can put their stuff in here. And this one was also $6.99, so I grabbed that for them. Really nice. Same thing. It opens up really big, and I guess you can flatten it out. Put it in the bottom of your suitcase or whatever. Has drawstrings, right? Does this have drawstrings? Yeah, it has a drawstring on it, so that's pretty cool. All right, so I got those. One his and hers. So we got those. All right. Now. Okay, so some other travel essentials that I grabbed. I grabbed this for my husband. This is also one of those you get a set of 3 packing squares so you can put whatever you want in there. Your cords or your glasses, whatever. So I thought this was nice, for the guys. Put different things in there. So you get that one, this one. Oh, you look at this, nice. This got nice sizes in here too. So yeah, those 3, and it was $8, y'all, in the clearance. So it was really $9.99, so $2 off. But what's the big deal? So yeah, these are great for guys. I thought that was kind of cool for him. So they had a lot of these, y'all. Some of them were marked clearance and some of them weren't. So check the clearance first. Always check the clearance because they can have the same stuff on the shelf as it is in clearance. I'm like, well, it's exactly the same thing. Why, but I took the cheaper one, of course. So that was $8. All right. So I grabbed that one. And then this one is another set of packing cubes for my husband and my son. So, the boys can share these. They can put, socks, underwear, whatever they want to put in here. So I thought this was cool. How much was this? Oh, this was $9.99. I didn't find one of these in the clearance. I was looking, but I didn't find one. So I thought that was kind of cool for them to have. So that way we can all stay organized, right? And then this one, y'all. This is by Morphe. It's a SPF 30 SPF with sunscreen, glow stunner, hydrating tinted moisturizer. I don't know. I grabbed this color. Y'all, I don't know. I don't know. It might work. It might not. It's kind of close. Kind of close. I don't know. It might look maybe a little beige. But if it's the wrong color, I will take it back. Okay. So yeah. They had they had this color and they had a darker one. And I felt like the darker one would have been too red on me. So that's why I grabbed this one. So I'm going to try it and see. And how much was this? This was $5.99. All right. $5.99 for the Morphe tinted moisturizer. All right. This one is Rich Glow number 12. So we'll see. We'll see how it looks. Right. So I got that. All right. Now, let me clear this table and I will show you my other travel essentials that I have. Okay. Okay. So before I show you the travel essentials, they had this selenite tower on clearance. It was $5.50. You know what? When you go to the metaphysical stores and you know those stores where they have the incense and all that, the candles and stuff, these are normally pretty pricey. So what is this originally $6? Yeah, $6.99. Normally this size is probably about $10, $10 or $12 in the metaphysical stores. I love selenite. I happen to have some in my home, and I love the energy that it has. That's just me, though. I love it. It's really beautiful to look at. So look at that. It's just so beautiful. Just so beautiful. It's a really beautiful stone. Just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to sit that right here in front. All right. We're going to put that in the trash. So it's right here in front of me, right there. All right. So here are my packing cubes. I saw these. Now they had other colors, y'all. I wish that when I had first bought these that they had some like the blue ones that I just showed you, my other two little blue things with the flowers. They have those now, but I bought these probably two or 3 weeks ago, and I just put them in a bag because I knew I was going to get other things. So this was on clearance actually, and they had some of the exact same ones, just regular price, right? So I grabbed this one. So there's three of them in here, and they're really pretty. I love these colors, beautiful, right? Let's see how much these were. These were $10, and I think the regular price is $12.99 or something like that. So this was the only one that was in clearance, and I asked the lady, I said, is something wrong with this, or why is it on clearance? And she says she checked. She said, no, they just marked it down. She said what they do is, when they get new items in, they mark stuff down and put it on the clearance, and then just put the new stuff out. So I checked it, y'all. It's fine. The zipper still works and everything. All the zippers work, so it works just beautifully. So those are going to be my little packing cubes. I'm excited to use these, and this is how you use them. You put your stuff in there like that. So I am loving all of my new travel essentials, right? Because we plan on going places, y'all. So we got to be prepared and organized. Okay. And speaking of which, check this bag is so big, y'all. I'm probably gonna get it all the way in the shop, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. It's gonna flash out. So this is a carry-on duffel. Okay, and it's by Cynthia Rowley. Love her stuff too. And it has these two straps. So it came with two straps, right? Shoulder straps. So I love that. They're really cute. And this is a nice big size bag, and it was $39.99. Oh, you can't see it, y'all. Sorry. It was $39.99. It's so beautiful and big and fluffy. Yep, fits everything. Duffel bag. I didn't have one of these. I would have been carrying a backpack. I'm like, I'm too old to carry a backpack. I need a real bag. Sorry. I need a real bag. I'm grown. I need a real bag. So it has like the zipper pockets in here. And it has some of these little pockets in here. Really, really nice. Sorry, y'all. I had to film this way because I'm kind of crunched for time. So I am using my art setup to film today, film this video. So, all right. So love this bag. And it came in different colors. I was looking for black. They had light blue. They had yellow. I'm not sure what other colors. Those are the only ones that I saw. I really wanted the black one though. So, and it's really big. It has pockets on the side here, and then this is where you connect your straps. So I love this. One of my favorite things I found. All right. So that concludes the haul from TJ Maxx. All right. Let me put this down. I do have a haul from Marshall's. Nice big haul from Marshall's. Y'all definitely want to see that because I got some good stuff in that haul. Got bags and I got cute stuff in that one. So I got Marshalls, right? And then I do have some new hauls up on my other channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. So if you want to see crafty hauls, I got some yarn. I bought some yarn from Hobby Lobby and Joann's. I got some new stuff from Joann's. So if you want to see those hauls, the craft art hauls are on my other channel. So I will leave that link down in the description. All right. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in below. And please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm trying to grow this channel and, put some different type of content up here for y'all. All right. So give the video a thumbs up, leave a question or comment. I'll answer, get back to you. All right. Y'all, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you next one. Bye for now.